So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Brett walked into the courtroom acting like she was above everyone else. She even yelled at Judge Simpson, demanding to know why she wasn't being let out of jail, even though she had just been arrested for assault. Honestly, listening to her made me feel like I was losing brain cells. She acted like the rules didn't apply to her. But Judge Simpson stayed calm, even though most judges would have lost their cool right away. He handled it like a pro. Now the big question is, does someone this rude and out of touch deserve to be let go? Or should she stay in jail? Let's take a look and see.
Dive in and watch.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and/or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim's loan.
And the monetary amount,
5,000.
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do we?
I really don't get people like her. If you're in court for assault, the smart thing to do is get a lawyer, not yell at the judge. Acting like a child throwing a tantrum isn't going to help you. And honestly, most toddlers act better than she did. Her behavior wasn't just annoying, it was dangerous. She was arrested for assault, but from what I heard, she might still get released on bond. I just don't think she's ready to be out in public. The way she talked to the judge like she did nothing wrong was unbelievable. People like her truly think they can break the law and then scream their way out of trouble. That's a scary level of disconnection from reality. And the worst part? She's not the only one. People like her out there doing everyday things like grocery shopping or driving, just one bad choice away from chaos. That IT feels like more and more people are becoming less aware of how the real world works. Courtrooms are meant to be serious places, but people like her turn them into a circus. Honestly, I blame how she was raised. But I have to give Judge Simpson a ton of credit. He handled it like a true professional. He's honestly one of my favorite judges right now, up there with Judge Fleer and Judge Middleton. He stays calm until someone completely disrespects the courtroom, and even then, he keeps it together better than most. What do you guys think? Is this just a new generation thing, or are people really getting more entitled? Let me know.
Let me know your thoughts on that.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
it doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I can't wait for Brett's trial, because if her last court appearance was anything to go by, it's going to be wild. I really think she's going to get the full 90 days in jail. She's already done 30, so that would be about 2 more months. Honestly, any day she's not out in public is a better day for the rest of us. Even if she somehow avoids more jail time, her attitude made the hearing almost unbearable to watch. Props again to Judge Simpson for staying calm. One moment that made me laugh was when she gave her old lawyer a dirty look on her way out, like it was his fault she got locked up. Newsflash, you assaulted someone, your lawyer didn't do that. Cases like hers show why the justice system needs to stay firm. We can't just let people off because they yell and throw a fit. If we did, courts would be full of people trying to shout their way out of trouble. So what do you think? Should she get the full 90 days? Or does she deserve another chance? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.